Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're doing awesome. Look, I'm putting together something that I'm going to call Learn ConvertKit Fast. One of the things that I have with a lot of my clients is that they have ConvertKit as their email platform, or they're thinking about ConvertKit and they have not figured out all the bells and whistles, the features. It feels complicated. It feels overwhelming. Well, I've been using ConvertKit for the last 7+ years and doing it, I'm in the platform literally every day with hundreds of creators, moving them to ConvertKit. I have many clients where I do a lot of work for them in the platform. And so I know a lot. I know what you need, what you don't need. And I think it's time to put together a session where I'll teach you how to make the most of ConvertKit. I'm going to call it Learn ConvertKit Fast because that's what it is. It's going to be, we're going to go through the settings. Templates, the new snippets, ads, landing pages, forms, shortcuts. How do you do broadcasts? What is this verified sending domain stuff? And I'm going to go through it fast. And I'm going to tell you what you need, what you don't need. And by the time you're done, you should be maybe not a power user of ConvertKit, but doggone it, you have a much stronger orientation about what you need from the to use, what you can do, what you don't need to use, and all that stuff. So if you'd like to join me, I have not yet set a date, but I'm doing this pre-registration form right now to gauge general interest. There probably won't be a replay, just telling you now. So it would be those who want to join me in a live session. If that's you and you're interested in it, please fill out the form here, and that will help me understand how many people might find Learn ConvertKit Fast useful. Thanks. Oh, it would be free.